This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to close Tesla Model X Frontr easy method. Start by lowering the lid gently until the latch lines up, then press down in the middle until the click confirms closure. If it resists, lift slightly and realign rather than forcing it. Always verify the seal is flush, lights are off, and fingers are clear before you drive to prevent damage and ensure safety. Begin with the frunk open and clear any cargo or obstructions from the lip and latch area. Use 2 hands, one to support the lid and one to press down in the center for an even closure. If the latch does not engage, raise the lid slightly and try again, ensuring alignment. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage and inspect the rubber seal for debris safely before every trip to keep things working well. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and how-to guides on the go with a glare-free display and long battery life. It slips into a glove box easily and makes following procedures simple and comfortable. I use it for reference during repairs. Check the description for the link and more deals, then now let's get back to the video. Common issues include misalignment, debris in the latch, or a weak latch mechanism that won't engage. Inspect the rubber seal and latch area for dirt, then clean gently with a soft cloth and mild cleaner. For persistent problems, check the frunk striker alignment and consider a light silicone spray on moving parts. If the frunk still will not close properly, visit a service center to diagnose electronic latch faults or replace worn components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.